Cybos. I think we're at a very interesting time period in the financial journey around payments. And why do I say that? We're at the cusp of actually taking payments from becoming a commodity to actually a product that's going to be deeply entrenched with data, that's going to drive more value for commerce in the industry. So if I think about the challenges multinationals, many treasurers today have, is really how do I get my payments faster with less friction and actually almost like doing a domestic instantaneous transaction, but how do I do that for cross-border payments? So as a bank, what we're doing is we're relentlessly working on actually creating that instantaneous cross-border payment. But the exciting part is that cross-border payment is actually going to be followed with a rich amount of data and content. And if we get that right, the next era and intelligence around payments is here to harness. And that unlocks quite a lot of exciting opportunities for us to really have true finality of settlement, to have information, richer compliance data. We can actually get to the level where we can do smart contracts much more efficiently. It is actually going to facilitate commerce much quicker. So as a bank, that's what we're working on. It's pretty exciting. We've seen a huge amount of developments. A year ago, there was a huge amount of activity around central bank digital currency pilots. Standard Chartered as a bank has dominated our pilots and we've been part of every single pilot out there. The next part for us now to solve as an industry and as a bank is to say, how do we take it from pilot to really transformative business models? And if we look at the technology available with distributed ledgers, that's the opportunity for us to go next. We're also pretty excited in terms of what regulations and regulators are doing to develop the industry and actually bring forward a standard around digital currencies. And you know, once that maturity has been reached, actually I think we're going to see exponential take-up and growth in the world around digital currencies.